Since 2009, the weighing equipment plant has been steadily growing and expanding across Russia, providing industry with weighing and dosing equipment. We are a trusted supplier, but behind every machine, behind every shipment, there are real people. Our employees are our greatest asset. Pouring heart and soul into metal and electronics, we create equipment that becomes the backbone of your production. The weighing equipment plant is a reliable partner for thousands of enterprises across the country, driving industry forward. Together,